Another day, another story. Biological warfare, a deadly threat. Biological warfare is the deliberate use of disease-causing biological agents such as bacteria, viruses, rickettsiae, and fungi, or their toxins, to kill or incapacitate humans, animals, or plants as an act of war. Biological weapons are also known as germ warfare or bioweapons. Biological weapons can be very effective in causing widespread death and destruction. They are often more difficult to detect and respond to than other weapons of mass destruction, such as chemical weapons or nuclear weapons. This is because biological agents can be spread through the air, water, or food, and they can take days or even weeks to incubate, making it difficult to know where the attack came from or who is responsible. The history of biological warfare dates back centuries. The first known use of biological weapons was in 600 BC, when the Assyrians poisoned wells with ergot, a fungus that can cause gangrene and death. In more recent times, biological weapons have been used in several conflicts, including World War I, World War II, and the Korean War. The most deadly biological weapon is anthrax. Anthrax is a bacterial infection that can be fatal if not treated. It is spread through contact with infected animals or their products, or through the air. Other dangerous biological weapons include smallpox, plague, and botulism. The use of biological weapons is prohibited by international law. The Biological Weapons Convention, BWC, which was adopted in 1972, prohibits the development, production, stockpiling, and use of biological weapons. However, there is concern that some countries are still developing biological weapons in violation of the BWC. The threat of bioterrorism is also a serious concern. Bioterrorism is the use of biological weapons by terrorists. In recent years, there have been several attempts to use biological weapons in terrorist attacks. For example, in 2001, letters containing anthrax spores were sent to several media outlets and government buildings in the United States. The threat of biological warfare and bioterrorism is real and serious. It is important to be aware of the risks and to take steps to protect yourself and your loved ones. If you think you may have been exposed to a biological weapon, it is important to seek medical attention immediately. Here are some tips for protecting yourself from biological warfare. 1. Be aware of the signs and symptoms of biological weapons. 2. Get vaccinated against diseases that can be used as biological weapons. 3. Have a plan in place in case of a biological attack. 4. Stay informed about the latest threats from biological weapons. Together, we can work to prevent biological warfare and bioterrorism and protect ourselves from these deadly threats. Thanks for watching.